Selama 10 tahun terakhir, perusahaan dirgantara Amerika Serikat Boom Supersonic mengembangkan penerbangan melebihi kecepatan suara dengan pesawat supersonik yang diberi nama Overture.
So we've all got a future to look forward to of flights that are faster and more sustainable aboard Overture, which should be ready for passengers in about 5 years.
Begitu diluncurkan, Overture menjanjikan penerbangan dari New York ke London dalam 3,5 jam. Jauh lebih singkat dari waktunya sekarang selama sekitar 7 jam. Ini hampir sama dengan waktu terbang Concorde, pesawat supersonik yang diluncurkan akhir tahun 1960-an. Meski harga tiket pulang pergi untuk Overture diproyeksikan $5.000, jauh lebih murah dibandingkan tiket Concorde.
Concorde was really remarkable for a 1960s airplane, in many ways ahead of its time. But the big problem was it was simply too expensive for most people to fly on. Think $20,000 a ticket, which for most people is just not reliable transportation. But fast forward literally 60 years, now we've got new materials, better aerodynamics, more efficient engines. Everything electronic has gotten lighter weight and better. So we can build a new generation supersonic airplane that is more affordable to fly on and can cover more routes as well.
Setelah mengalami masa jaya tahun 1970-an, pesawat Concorde akhirnya dipensiunkan tahun 2003.
If the Overture is flying in the next 5 years, I should be one of those people standing at the edge of a runway cheering, because I think it's a great technological advance. It's whether or not, of course, airlines are going to take up this position.
Menurut Boom Supersonic, Overture telah mulai diminati sejumlah maskapai penerbangan di Amerika Serikat maupun internasional dan mengundang antusiasme konsumen. Bandara di Amerika Serikat belakangan umumnya relatif sibuk dengan jumlah penumpang telah mendekati atau bahkan melampaui angka pra-pandemi. Tapi pertanyaannya, seberapa banyak yang rela untuk membayar $5.000 untuk penerbangan dari New York ke London? Karena pada saat yang sama, tiket New York-London bisa didapatkan dengan harga ratusan dolar.
I can understand why people flew, and so many people flew Concorde, London, New York, because that's where the money is. It's people who value their time and have a huge premium put on it. It's a niche market out there, and it'll be very interesting to see if Boom and Overture can actually make that market pay.
Selain rute New York ke London dan sebaliknya, Boom Supersonic telah mengidentifikasi sedikitnya 600 rute lain yang juga bakal menguntungkan maskapai. Dari Washington DC, Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.